increasingly not just apparent but obvious to me that we are seeing great frustration, some great division, polarization in parts of our communities throughout the country, and that includes the communities of the state of Ohio. A system that lends itself to people thinking that the system not only doesn't work for them, but actually can work against them, is not sustainable in our country. It's not what America's all about. America's not about divisions. We've had divisions in the past. We'll have divisions in the future. But when leaders see divisions, it's imperative that they move forward to try to bring a healing. This has been an excruciatingly difficult time for members of the minority community, particularly the African American community. As we look at things that have happened across the country, we have seen honest, hard-working, God-fearing people who become exasperated. They want somebody to hear about their concerns. They want to be able to see constructive improvements in our system. And the vast majority of people who have concerns, they're law-abiding, they understand the need for law enforcement, but they also want to feel as though they have a voice. I've been concerned about this for a significant period of time. Yesterday, late yesterday afternoon, my friend Nina Turner came here along with Sandra Williams and, of course, Representative Reece to talk to me about an idea they had about providing a forum for people to air their grievances and to sit together as a family in the state of Ohio to give people an opportunity to speak and provide an opportunity for needed reform inside of our state. Nina Turner and I talked about 2 weeks ago, soon after the decision regarding the policeman who was involved in the shooting of the 12-year-old. That weekend I reached out to a number of community leaders, in particular a number of the African American ministers in Cleveland, and it was that day when I talked to Senator Turner that she suggested that we put something together that would allow people to express their concerns, their frustrations, and provide, again, an opportunity for improvement. Yesterday they came to discuss some ideas, and we concluded that it was important that we create a task force that can be inclusive, a task force that will examine this, the whole legal system, but most particularly the issues that surround communities and policing. I very much feel that I have three people here who are absolutely important and integral, and particularly Nina Turner, because she has, she's a unique person. She's a mom with a son who's both an African American and a policeman. She sees all sides. And I'm very proud to have her involved. She will be, as these other two ladies will be, an integral force going forward as it relates to this task force. I'm pleased to be joined by our Attorney General, Mike DeWine, who has great expertise and experience in prosecution, grand juries, policing. I will say that Representative Reece and I had a number of discussions when we saw the problem that we had in Beaver Creek. And she made it clear to me that we needed to be on offense. We needed to listen. And as we all know, the city of Cincinnati went through very turbulent times. She has a unique perspective in terms of the range of activities, the range of things that must be done to bring our communities together. Sandra Williams, of course, is front and center, being in a part of Cleveland that has been extremely difficult for community members. Look, words matter in this. I hope I can get the words right today. Is this going to fix everything? I'm sure it won't. Will some people feel as though they weren't properly included? I'm sure there will be some who will feel that way. But we're going to make an honest effort to try to bring Ohio together. An honest effort to listen to the frustrations and the challenges of people in the community who need to be listened to. Because Ohio cannot afford to be fractured. America cannot afford to be fractured. And so we're going to move forward as aggressively as we can, and as quickly as we can, and as thoroughly as we can. And would ask the people of the state to have understanding, to say their quiet prayers, that even when they think that they're right about a particular point of view, put yourself in someone else's shoes for a moment and think about the challenges that they may have. That is the way in which we will bring a healing to our state, and I hope a healing to our country. Senator Turner.
Thank you, Governor.